This is just a quick video of the compressor just ticking over after, well, 2 hours use. I'll just fire up the tractor. It's quite, how can I put it? It's almost like a bedtime lullaby, just listening to it. It's quite nice. See what you think. So you get the chug 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 coming from it, and then you get the occasional sort of rumble from the worn PTO shaft on it. Who needs a belt guard? That big pulley there, that's to drive the supercharger. The belt broke on it, but so I need to get that sorted. You might be able to see it in the light. Difficult to make out, but through that pipe there, the water's getting circulated. Come back through the pump and back down to the block. It's really thermosiphon cooling, but it's just the pump helps a bit. No way would I touch that. A dead man. The oil pressure looks a bit low, but I mean, considering it's only running at a few hundred RPM, you know, and it's night, it's warm now, but so I mean, it's doing alright. I reckon I'd say probably about 15 to 20 psi it's at right now, so that's not good, it's not what you want really, but you know, I think it'll be alright. It's just ticking over nicely. See, a typical Land Rover, it's got oil everywhere on it. No, it doesn't blow that hard, but makes decent pressure going through the nozzle on it. I'm running it like this without the pipe on it just now, just so it gets air is just basically going in and out of it under no pressure, so it helps cool it down. And so I mean, my theory is with that is that it'll, instead of just cooling down normally and like creating condensation in the valves and possibly, you know, rusting them up, it just means that it's going away and it cools itself down, and then there's no, you know, risk of rust forming in the valves or the cylinders.